Step 1 is to check your phone or computer for this website. Step 2 is to click on the web page, and Step 3 is to get paid right away. So right now, I'd like you to have a look at all these real payment proofs where people from all over the world are making money. Take a look at this person who has already received this sum of money, as well as all the other people who have received money through this new website. Now, scroll down to see how much money you could make with this site. Every day, hundreds of people cash out on this page alone, so here's how much money you can make from this website. If you click once, you'll earn approximately 80 cents. If you click 10 times, you'll earn $8.70. If you click 250 times, you'll earn about $43.50, and if you click 500 times, you'll easily earn $87. This is something you can do over and over again. In today's video, I'll teach you how to create a free account and walk you through it step by step using a real-life example. Don't miss out on a number of supplementary steps that I'll share with you that will help you generate more money online. By the way, check out our friend's new YouTube channel, Next Level Finance, where she discusses affiliate marketing, making money online, and work-from-home opportunities. You know, we really appreciate people that teaches other people to make money and help themselves and their families, especially in these hard times. Just check out her channel and I'll make sure that you'll learn a lot and also, of course, make money online. This will be an easy way to make money online in 2021. I'll show you how to leverage the best and most effective platforms to make money quickly. Stay tuned and watch the video until the end if you're interested. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online on a daily basis. So make sure you finish watching the video and stay tuned whenever we release a new method so you can be the first and one of the first to try it out. Like and comment down below. It will help us with the YouTube algorithm and will reach a larger audience. Before I show you anything, please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video, click on that red subscribe button and switch on notifications and you'll be notified anytime I submit a new video. With that said, let's get right into the tutorial. Alright, so the first action I want you to take is to visit this website. You can go to this website where you can learn about many ways to make money. PTC and video advertisements are the finest ways to generate money on this website. PTC stands for pay to click, which means we may get paid to click on websites and adverts. I'll show you a real-life example of how you can make a lot of money online by clicking on websites like this or viewing video ads like these. Make sure you watch all the way to the end since these are the real payment proofs right here on this page and they are very transparent to show you how the advertising works, how many websites you need to click on them, and how much money you've already earned in your account. One of the reasons I like this website is because you can get an instant withdrawal today and cash out your winnings within 24 hours. They offer a very low minimum payout of 50 cents and then you can start cashing out your money. There are just so many various payment methods right now on this website. If you want to sign up for a free account right now, all you have to do is go to this page and click on the green button right here to register, which will take you to this page where you can register for a free account, and the greatest part is that this is available worldwide. So for the username, you can start with every username you wish, followed by your email address and password confirmation, and finally, the referral code can be left blank. They want you to click on this type of icon for the final step of verification in this case, so I just have to click on this icon right here to choose the one shown in the picture. And then you just have to click on both of these right here to read and accept the terms of service and privacy. So right now we're just gonna register by clicking on this blue register button. But before I show you a real-life example of how to click on a website and watch video ads or make money, I'd like to show you the second website, bucksinside.com, and why you should sign up for both Bucks Inside and the first website, which is at lightgpt.com. And yes, that was our first website that I discussed earlier in this video, because the more websites you sign up for, the more ads you can click on the website and the more money you'll make. As you can see here, for the second website, bucksinside.com, you can get paid every 10 seconds. So here are other people's proofs that individuals are paying out their money every single day right on this website, and they're coming from all over the world. I love this because there's so many websites that you can just click on and earn 50 cents to $2 at bucksinside.com. You can earn more money just by visiting their advertiser's website. Just click on their website and you can get money. Keep watching because I'll show you some real-life examples. So with this option, you can cash out using a variety of methods such as Payza, PayPal, Advanced Cash, BitGold, and bank transfer, among others. Then cash out your money right here on bucksinside.com today within 24 hours, and you can cash out your money again after you hit $2, which is very easy, and I'll show you how to do it. So right now you can sign up for your free account simply by clicking this button. Click on register and you'll be sent to this page, or you can enter your username and email address in the appropriate columns and then validate your email address. Again, I'm not gonna leave any referral codes in my video, and for the currency, you can choose whatever currency you want to be paid in. For the payment method, you can choose whatever payment method you want right here. Then over here, you may choose your birth year, which is as simple as that. Then, for the final section right here, they want us to click on some icons to prove that we're not robots, but rather humans. So in this case, that I could display it on this one right here, and then I just click on this one over here, accept the terms of service, and then click on the register button. Simple as that. So for the time being, I'll just show you a real life example. Once you log into your account, you'll see a variety of adverts that you may click on to earn money. This is an example of a banner ad, and all you have to do is click on it. For example, I clicked on this one right here and it sent me to this page. So right now it's important that you pay attention. I want you to stay on this page for the next 30 seconds so that the money may be credited to your account, and then go ahead and click on the second banner. For example, this one, and that would take you to the second page, as you can see right now. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends. Hit the red subscribe button and leave a comment down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying earn money online, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than this, where you can get money doing simple things like this. So if we get 1,000 likes on this video, we'll launch an insane brand new video that might be even cooler than this. So comment earn money online down below. We'll be releasing a new video next week to show you how to make even more money online by performing basic jobs like these on your computers or mobile phones. So let's get back to the video now. Let's continue. Don't worry, you don't have to create an account or do anything. All you have to do is stay on the page for at least 30 seconds in order to receive your money. I want you to click on as many banner advertisements as you can. Therefore, I propose clicking on 5 or 10 at once so you can wait 30 seconds in total, saving you a lot of time and making you a lot more money than other people. This is one way to accomplish it by just clicking on banner advertising, which is the first and most important way to generate money, because you may get paid to click on adverts. The second method is to click on a video so you can watch videos for free. The second method is to click on the video and then watch it for 30 seconds. So once you successfully log on to your account, you can go to Hideout TV or hideout.co and watch various videos and video ads. So simply click on it for 30 seconds to increase your earnings. There are literally hundreds of videos and advertisements to view in order to make money online. I'll assist you in creating a free account so that you can be sure you're paid. So I want you to click the sign up button at the top. Then come over to this page and scroll down below here and choose a username, email address, and password, and then click I'm not a robot, sign up for a free account. So for example, if I want to view this video right now, I'll just click on it and it'll take me to a website where they'll begin loading the advert right in front of the video. You may see 1, 2, or 3 advertisements in front of the video, and with each ad that you watch, you can earn money online. The more adverts you watch, the more money you'll make. So depending on what videos you watch, you may see 2 or even 3 advertisements. If you see no advertisements, don't worry, just click on other videos and make sure that there's an advertisement in front of the video. Just stay for 30 seconds and watch all of the ads, and that's how you make a lot of money online. Don't worry, you can do this on your phone as well. So what I'd like you to do is click on a few different videos. As an example, suppose I opened many tabs. Click on this video, and this video right here. For instance, this is the first video viewing and this is the second, and the more videos they watch, the more advertising I'll be able to click on and the more money I'll be able to make. The second feature of this website that I enjoy is the sponsor area on the right. Advertisements are referred to as sponsors now. All of the sponsored advertising is right here, and by clicking on them, you may earn money online. So, for example, if I click on these adverts right here, you'll be directed to this page. Right now, all you have to do is stay here for 30 seconds to get your money, and once again, this is a fantastic opportunity since you can earn 2 streams of income just by watching for 30 seconds and clicking on banner ads like this, then remaining on the website for another 30 seconds to receive your money. You have numerous opportunities right on these websites. There are so many videos and video ads to watch, as well as so many banner ads within a website that you can simply click on and get paid, and that's exactly how these guys here are making a lot of money every day, simply by clicking on websites and video ads, and that's it. Before you go though, don't forget to also check out our friend's new YouTube channel, Next Level Finance, where she discusses affiliate marketing, making money online, and work from home opportunities. Alright, well that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it until the end of this video, just know that you'll start making money if you decided to step up. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start following whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you did make it to the end, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure to check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do, just like to my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and like this video. If you want to see more money making videos, click on the next video as shown on the screen following this tutorial. Okay, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.